Hello, welcome. Let's solve simple linear equation together. We need to solve for x and have given to us 2 over 3x plus 6 is equal to 10. Let's work on solution. I'm going to subtract by 6 both sides. 2 over 3x is equal to 10 minus 6. 2 over 3x, this is equal to 4. I'm going to eliminate fraction by multiplying by 3 throughout. 3 multiplied by 2 over 3x, this is equal to 4 multiplied by 3. By 3, 1. By 3, I get 1. Now, 2x is equal to 4 multiplied by 3. I'm going to divide by 2 both sides. I'll divide by 2. I'll divide by 2. By 2, 1. By 2, I get 1. By 2, 1. By 2, we get 2. The value of x is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, we get 6. Let us do question number 2. We have x over 2, take away x over 3. This is equal to 1 over 6. We need to solve for x. First, we are going to combine these two terms by finding LCM and then take away. The LCM of 2 and 3, it is 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 times x, we got 3x. Minus 6 divided by 3, it is 2. 2 multiplied by x, we got 2x. This is equal to 1 over 6. 3x, take away 2x, we get x over 6. This is equal to 1 over 6. I'm going to multiply by 6 throughout. That is 6 multiplied by x over 6. This is equal to 1 over 6 multiplied by 6. By 6, 1. By 6, 1. By 6, 1. By 6, we get 1. The value of x is equal to 1. Let us do question number 3. X over 2 is equal to x plus 3 over 10. Let's work on solution. First of all, I'm going to group x plus 3 by putting it in the bracket. Then, I'm going to cross and multiply. 10 multiplied by x, we got 10x. This is equal to 2 in the bracket, x plus 3. 10x, this is equal to, I'm going to open the bracket by using 2. That is 2 multiplied by x, I get 2x, plus 2 multiplied by 3, I get 6. I'm going to collect all variable on the left hand side. That is going to be 10x. I'll shift 2x to the left. That is going to be take away 2x. This is equal to 6. 10x, take away 2x, we get 8x. This is equal to 6. I'll divide by 8. I'll divide by 8. By 8, 1. By 8, 1. By 2, 3. By 2, I get 4. Now we get x is equal to 3 over 4. Let us do the last question, question number 4. We're supposed to solve for y. We have 3y minus 2 plus y. This is equal to 14. I'm going to collect all y on the left-hand side, and I'll take 2 to the right-hand side. That is 3y plus y. This is equal to 14 plus 2. 3y plus y, we get 4y. This is equal to 14 plus 2, we got 16. I'll divide by 4. I'll divide by 4. By 4, 1. By 4, 1. Now y is equal to 16 divided by 4. By 4, 1. By 4, we get 4. So y is equal to 4. I hope you understand how to solve simple equation. For more question on simple equation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.